Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. Are you a beginner and want to learn C programming from scratch? And you want to learn the C programming in a very detailed way with the real world examples, and you want all this course for free? Yes, you are watching the right video and you are on the right path. So Learning Monkey is a platform where you can learn everything, where you can learn the computer science and engineering subjects for free, from basics to advanced courses, all the courses for free. So just how to learn C programming. So we have lots of courses that are freely available on our platform. So we will try to make you understand how to learn the C programming for free. And if you are beginner, and this is the right video. So just open your YouTube and click and search for Learning Monkey. So just type Learning Monkey here and click the search. You will get this page. So on this page, just click on Learning Monkey. If you are finding this logo, so if you are finding, go and search for this logo. If you find this logo and click Learning Monkey, so just click on Learning Monkey here. So if you click on it, okay, so this is the home page of Learning Monkey. You can get lots of playlists. So in order to get all the playlists that are available, click the playlist tab here. So in this home page, click the playlist tab. So here you will get all the playlists. See here all the playlists that are available on our platform at this point of time. We are having nearly 1100 videos of content at this point of time, and we are going to update it every day. So all the playlists that are available, just find the C programming playlist. See here. So this is the C programming playlist that is available here. So if you click on it, you're going to go into this complete playlist. See here, we are having 112 videos of C programming content. So all the videos are arranged in sequence. See here,
the most natural sounding.
All the videos that are available are arranged in the sequence. So all the 112 videos are arranged in the sequence. All you need to know is to find the playlist and just start learning from here. So if you start from here, so go to the next video, third video, fourth video, fifth video, sixth video. In that way, all the videos are arranged in the sequence. So this is how you can learn the content from YouTube. And if you want to learn the content in descriptive way, in words, in the text document, if you want to learn, there is another option also. So go to the home page of Learning Monkey, go to the Google and search for learningmonkey.in. So if you type learningmonkey.in, you're going to get this home page. So in this home page, click on courses. If you click on this courses, you're going to go to this web page. So we are having. So these are all the courses that are available. Whatever the courses that are available on the YouTube channel, all those courses are also available in this page, in the courses of the Learning Monkey website also. So now go to the next page. C programming is there in the next page. So this is the C programming complete course. So click on this C programming course. So you'll go to this page. Okay, so this page consists of this is the page where all the content is available in sequence. So if you want to start from the first video, so just click on the content that you would like to learn. So here the content is available in the descriptive form, and if you want to go for the video, of this content. So for example, if you are on a page called Introduction to C Programming, and you don't want to learn it in the descriptive way, or the text format, and you want to learn it in the form of video format. So for complete YouTube video, click here. So just click on it. You will be redirected again to the same video that you want to learn. See here. So this is the video for the Introduction to C Programming. The same content is available. So whatever we described in the video, the same content is available in the text format. Okay, so this is how, if you are a beginner and you want to have the detailed explanation of each and every concept with the real world examples, in the sense of with respect to the memory, so then you are in the right place. So enjoy the full course, learn the full course, and if you feel while learning the content, if you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is very helpful and you are getting the core content for free, just please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.